today. I don't really know what we got planned for today, but it's always exciting trying to find out what we're gonna do and how long we're gonna be there. So I'll get with you guys later. Peace. .20 a.m. pulling into the parking lot where we keep the truck. It don't look like D is here yet, so I'm gonna do a little pre-trip inspection of the truck and wait till he get here, unless he already parked around there somewhere. Doing a pre-trip inspection. Checking the tailgate. Checking all the lights, make sure all the lights are good. About to pick up some stone at the site. Right, exactly. I'm sitting here trying to tell this dude. If this was asphalt, that tarp would be sealed tight. Just unbuckle the gate. So we ready to dump this load out here at the rest area. Hauling gravel. We had a dumps, we had a parking rest area, all this asphalt and gravel. All right guys, I didn't want to make this video long. This video was a day of us just working out of the parking lot in Monroe, Michigan. It was just a POV basically. I didn't want to do a whole lot of talking. I just really want to show you guys how we work and what we were hauling and how we done. We were hauling gravel today, and like I say, it was a long, hot day. I showed you some in the beginning video on how I pre-tripped the vehicle. We
we was working so hard, I forgot to record a lot of different shots that I wanted to really bring you guys. But be prepared for my next video. My next video, I'm gonna go over when you get your CDL, what you need to do to prepare before you go and get your CDL. Because if you get your permit, and I know in most states in Michigan, you can apply for your CDL. It don't cost you. If you go and take the test, even if you fail, you can repeatedly keep taking the test over until you get it. By doing that, you get some type of understanding of what you'll be faced with and what you need to learn. Then you can grab the booklet for free. This even before you enter class, you can grab the booklet for free. And some people have the booklet already highlighted. You don't have to go over everything that's in the book. You just need to go over, the air brakes and the combination, and I forgot the other one, but it's been so long. But like I say, I'm gonna go over that, and I'm gonna make sure I'm well prepared in my next video. I'm gonna cover that and bring you guys more information about how to get your CDLs and how to prepare for them. Because you got things also like apps. There's one app, it's a truck simulator. It teaches the gear pattern. It got the brake pedal. It teaches you everything. And then you got things as far as the test. You got apps that show you how to get past the test. So I'm gonna go over that. I'm gonna be well prepared next time. But I thank everybody for watching to the end. Like I say, this was just a POV video that I wanted to bring you guys. I'd like to thank everybody for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe and continue to follow along this journey as I build this YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day. Peace.